Hello dear friends, I hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to recover silver from defective keyboards by recycling the polyester film inside them. Safety precautions, essential. Be sure to wear acid-resistant gloves and a respirator mask. Perform this work outdoors or under a chemical fume hood. Silver extraction steps. 1. Collect keyboards. Almost every keyboard that uses polyester film under its keys contains a small amount of silver. 2. Remove keys and separate the film. Remove the keys and take out the polyester film beneath them. You can sell the remaining parts, plastic keys, keyboard housing, and the aluminum backing foil, separately to recycling centers. Three. Cut the film into pieces. Use scissors to cut the film into small pieces to increase acid contact area. Peel the layers apart so the acid can penetrate more easily. Soak in nitric acid. Place the chopped film pieces into a beaker or glass container. Add concentrated nitric acid, 65%, until the material is fully covered. Wait approximately 3 hours for the acid to dissolve the silver. Afterward, strain the mixture and rinse the solids with distilled water to remove any remaining acid. Plate the silver onto copper. Suspend to clean copper sheets in the solution. The silver in the solution will plate onto the copper surfaces. Adjust concentration and final precipitation. If the solution becomes too concentrated, it may turn green. At that point, remove the copper sheets. Then add a small amount of concentrated hydrochloric acid, 30–35%, until the solution turns cloudy white, and any remaining silver precipitates out. 7. Collect and purify the silver. Remove the precipitated silver and proceed with purification and casting. If you'd like to see the next steps for purification and casting, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to like, and feel free to leave your questions in the comment.